Yeah. So after a long drive yesterday, we've decided to come down to Wales. Just having to chill out there really. I'm probably gonna get 1 or 2 shots. We're here at Betsy Code something, just at Ferry Glen. I think the last time I came here was with Richard and Oliver, and this is the kind of image that we got. I'm not quite sure what we're gonna get today, but being around with these guys, I'm with Brandon, Shane, Alex and Nabila again today, so it's gonna be a fun day. Let's see how it goes really. So, you know, like yesterday I was sporting the low pro bag. I am rocking the low pro bag again. Remember the review I did? Well, got a bit of a confession, I actually like it. I don't know about these bags, I've got something with them. Something won't work in with straps. I know it was light, but I've got similar amount of gear in it today. And I'm back with the old f-stop Satori EXP. And it just feels so much better. I don't know what it is, it's just one of those things I just can't seem to find the right size bag. And Chino was also just saying about the signature on the back of my bag, how he likes it. It looks quite nice, which I obviously if it's not obvious enough, I love to brand all my things. It's one of those things, innit? Why not? We're getting close by, it's not that far now. It's a gorgeous day. This is a perfect sort of light that you want for the gorge, because you're going to be sort of like deeper in and whatnot, and the way just like we were yesterday at the waterfalls, and the light just hits in certain areas coming through the trees and branches. Looks really nice. I know the last time we came here down below it felt really warm and humid, but let's see what it's like today. None of these guys have been here. Again, thank you Oliver for showing me this last time. Thank you so much, I really do appreciate that. I know it was a few years ago, but man, thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna crack on. I use that word quite a lot, don't I? Crack on. Gonna crack on. See you guys in a bit. what everyone's doing right now is going right in front of the shop. I'm not bothered. Once I got the shot, it gives me time to compose, have a look around, I've done something like this a while ago. Actually, I'm going to wait and see if the sun comes back out again. It's just gone behind the clouds right now. It's a nice composition. Nice bit of water. I mean, I'd like to be down there somewhere, but I'm not quite sure if I can get around there. It's a bit tricky. My boots feel a bit more slippery. A lot of moss and stuff going on over here. So I'm just going to set up over here. Got a bit of foreground with these rocks here. The water coming down, doing its thing. And then the main shot over there. So it looks like a 2470 perhaps. I don't think it's going to be anything more than a 70. Yeah. So we've missed a bit of the sunlight where it's just nipped out, and I think we may get some again. What that basically does is makes your image look really dull and it's a little bit flat. So what I've done is I've gone for something a bit different this time. I'm getting a bit more foreground in and shooting quite wide actually at about 24mm I believe. Yeah, I'm on 24mm. Simple setup, just a 3-stop ND and a 3-stop grad. The medium grad. Settings are about, what are we? 15 seconds f13 ISO 50. I just want to keep it really low. I quite like it, but I am going to put the telephoto on, obviously get the zoom, because this really does begs to be taken with a really nice zoom length, and you really get all the waves and all the motion of the water really coming in. Because if you get to the right angle you can see the second waterfall. There is one lower down on this side as well, just behind me, but as I flew the drone I could see it. I don't know if there's any access to go down that side, and the light is looking a lot nicer here. Right, sun's coming out. I'm going to quickly change my lens and see if I can grab it. So we decided to take a quick break here at Shibod Cafe. Been here before once and it's bloody amazing. I can't see Nick anywhere. Where are you, Nick? Ordered some food to take out. We're going to head up to Holyhead, South Stack Lighthouse. But I wonder how the guys got onto there.
Oh, me first. Yeah, I did a lot of climbing. Got some good shots out of it though, so it's alright in the end.
How did you find it, Brendan?
That's the first time that I'm coming out with you in some adventures.
Sorry, I don't have any more beef. If you like sandwich, what you want?
Come on.
It's okay with chicken? Chicken with garlic mayo?
Yeah, please.
Yeah? Cheers.
There's no beef. How you finding it, Chin?
It's okay.
Amazing. Surviving on 4 hours sleep, but that's the thing about beautiful light, and if you're a photographer and you're out on a nice day like that, you're just going to keep shooting. Got my feet wet at the ferry Glen. All worth it.
Now there is an answer. Awesome. Thanks for that. We're going to head up to South Stack once we get our food, and I think we'll have a quick catch up then, but I'm not quite sure how much we'll get because it's going to be sunsetty, kind of dark, so I might end the vlog there quickly or in the car. But then again, if I do end it here, hope you enjoyed that video. quite informative. I didn't get a chance to, well, I did try my filter out, but I was perched right on the edge of the rock and I needed my grip, so I couldn't really mess about with the filter quite a lot. My hands weren't really as free as they should have been. So, like it, subscribe it, obviously comment and share, and any feedback, all welcome. And I'll see you guys in the next video.